Now we'll move to the last session of today's. The next speaker is from the next speaker is from Israel, Dr. Vishnu N. Balwant. He is a researcher in the Institute of Drug Research, the Hebrew University of Jerusalem, Israel. His topic is going to be on drug design and development for potential targets of SARS-CoV-2. I request Dr. Vishnu Nayak Badwan, sir, to come on the screen. Please, sir, over to you. Sir, you are not audible. No, sir, you are not audible. Kindly, kindly see, please. Your screen is visible. Hello. No, sir, still now you are not audible. Your screen is visible. We can see your screen. Sir, still you are not audible. Please try some another way. No, not yet. Now you are muted. Now, are you audible? No. No, sir.
क्लिक करा म्हणा अनम्यूट वर क्लिक
हेलो नहीं, ये मेरा आवाज मेरा आवाज
पहिले सांग ना पहिले सांग म्हटलं कसं करायचं
Sir, do you get a dialog box of unmute? We have unmuted you. On your screen, you might have got a dialog box of unmute.
डबल क्लिक करा
First, sir, try to remove your screen. First, unshare your screen. Okay, we'll unshare you from here, sir. Wait for 2 minutes. Am I audible? Raise your hand. Yes, okay, sir. Okay. Now, can you see a control of unmuting?
म्यूट का दिसतोय म्यूट दिसतोय
Okay, we'll mute you again and we'll again send you a message. Wait for 2 minutes. Now you are muted. You can see a red there. You are muted now. Yes. Now we will send you a message of unmute. Now you would have developed a box there that to unmute yourself. Host want to unmute you. Make it now. No.
हेडफोनचं चिन्ह आहे ते करणार
Do you get a sign of headphone? It's not working. It's okay, sir. Just relax. Take your time. Try some another way. If you're not comfortable, you can also come from the phone also or from another device. We will add you immediately. Okay, sir. If you're not comfortable there, you can change the device. You leave from here and you can add again from the mobile phone or something else.
इथून राहणार तिथून
Yeah, you stay here with the
इथून बोला ना मोबाईलमधून आणि इथून सांगा म्हणजे.
You stay here, show your screen from here and get audible from some other device, like from any other mobile. Send us the request, we'll accept you. We'll let you in. It's Realme U1. Is it Realme U1? Raise your hand, please. Is it Realme U1? Yes, sir. 2 minutes. Now we will unmute you from the Realme U1. Wait for 2 minutes, sir. Sir, you are also unmuted from the Realme U1. Can you speak from there?
The headphone icon.
You attach headphone to that phone or remove your phone. You can. No, sir, you are not audible. No, not from that device too. Hello.
आता unmute करा मला.
Sir, now unmute yourself. We'll send you a message. Now unmute yourself in the phone, in the mobile phone.
एक मिनिट स्टॉप करतो शेअरिंग.
Yes, give it 2 minutes only. Now unmute yourself, sir, from mobile phone.
मेसेज
Did you receive the message?
Okay, unmute. Yes.
Yes. We got you, sir.
Okay.
We got you. Finally, we got you. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Sir, there is a background noise. If you can stop it. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, over to you, sir. Thank you very much.
Okay. Thank you.
Sir, mute the computer. Mute your account from the computer. Stay only on from the mobile.
Okay.
It is making an echo. Get mute from the computer and stay on the mobile.
Okay. I think it is okay now.
Yes. Now it's okay.
First of all, it is giving. It is the sound, I think.
I think the sound is echoing actually.
Now I think now it is okay.
Still it is echoing.
Is it okay? No?
It's okay, but little it's moving. Little echo is there. No issue, sir. You take time. Not an issue.
Should I start?
You can start, sir. Talk slowly so that the echo will be less. And we'll sort some issue.
चालू केली होती त्यांनी ते ती इको होत
Okay, okay. Dr. Vishnu Naik,
आहे क्लिअर
just 1 minute.
नाही तुमचा गेला असेल मोबाईल बंद झाला असेल सर हेडफोन लावून ना हेडफोन लावून
Sir, if possible, you can attach headphone to the mobile phone. Is it possible?
Can you?
Now we are not having an echo. You can talk now.
आवाज येतोय ना
Hello, sir. अच्छा चलो ऐड करा दो आपको बोलता सर हाँ वो थोड़ा इको हो रहा है इशू है उनकी तरफ से हो जाएगा तो उनको मैंने डील किया है हमने
Hello, I think it's okay.
It's okay now. It's fine, sir.
It's fine now?
It's fine, sir.
Okay. Myself, Dr. Vishnu Naik from Hebrew University, Israel. Actually, okay, first of all, hope you are safe and healthy in crucial time. And first of all, I will thank Dr. Lal Singh Khalsa, principal of MG College, Armuri, and my collaborator, Dr. Naresh Bansod, and organizing committee of MG College, Armuri. Then hope you are following all these criteria, guidelines issued by the WHO for better health. And then these are the actually just now, so Dr. Pramod explained these are the drugs used clinically used for COVID-19. But we'll see how because most of the drugs are no unknown targets except remdesivir. And as a researcher, I started working on coronavirus. This is the slide already. The Professor Dr. Pramod shared all these things, and actually, I will go to directly to the point. The SARS virus is having is the RNA virus. It is having E protein and spike protein and membrane protein and nucleocapsid and envelope protein. These are the four targets, and these are the four targets. And mainly the M protein and the spike protein plays a vital role in the viral replication and transcription. So as we are a medicinal chemist, this my lecture will be very useful to the medicinal chemists who are interested to deliver to do work, means they do in research in virology aspects, because I am a medicinal chemist with 2 years of biosafety laboratory 2 BSL2 experience, and with I'm very familiar with the molecular modeling, docking and dynamics for designing up novel drugs. As our collaborator Rolf from the Germany and from the Rega Institute, Belgium, actually they with cryo-electron microscopy, they released the structure of M protein and the structure of S protein. Actually, yeah, these are the crucial proteins, and the M protein is having promoter A and promoter B, because it is almost similar. Half of the way it is similar when we see this rotation. Both are, this is a dimeric form, and the M protein consists of four active site residues, means loopholes. Those are S1, S2, S3, S4 in this region, and these are the amino acid residues. Those are responsible for binding to the N3 moiety. It is a peptide based moiety. So, and this gives a good energy, means it is not in the clinical trials, but just it is for only protein, how the protein how the protein is. And then another one, that's epsilon. Actually this epsilon is bind with the cysteine, here cysteine 145 in the S1 binding site, and it is also a good inhibitor. This group revealed the mass spectroscopy with cysteine protease with M protein, and they showed the binding affinity of the epsilon. And actually we also followed we also did the docking at the same position with the taking all these important amino acid residues, and and we compared with the existing drugs. Those are N3 is a negative drug, and epsilon and favipiravir, remdesivir, chloroquine, hydroxychloroquine, and people are telling a lot of drugs. Those are daily we are watching news, and those things they are telling this compound, that compound, most of the compound they are using. And as the potential drug here is binding with the cysteine 145, and here this is a cysteine 145, then epsilon also covalently bind with the cysteine 145. And our design drugs, we along with we actually in this study we took almost 300 drugs. 300 means already reported drugs, and 50 almost 50 natural compounds, almost 50 natural compounds, and those are from many natural source, and those things, and few are reported with antibacterial, these things. Lot of studies going, lot of things. And actually I am here showing only the 10 only 10 compounds, because actually recently we patented that our active compounds, and here I am not showing any structure or say structure or anything here, because these are little confidential. And actually Nova Bioton is taking care of these things for to explore the further things. So actually these 10 drugs we are considering. Among this we chose only 2, because our drug also bind with the cysteine 145, and some residues glycine 166, and these are the things. And here when we see the native drug, and these are shown the minus 8.88 and minus 6.45 kilocalories, and the rest of below 6 to 7 only. But our design drug more than 11.67, 10.22, and lot of things These are the things. So our design drugs given good binding energy and very good, excellent inhibitory constant to the M protein. So here, the thing is, the another protein. This is the one study, and we got the results, and we this study is in progress, and we communicated one publication, Natural Chemical Biology, 2 days before only. And the another protein is actually the another protein structure is revealed by Beijing University. This is our collaborator, and actually in our lungs, the lung membrane, it is having the alveolar cells having ACE2 enzyme, as from earlier Dr. Pramod said. And the spike protein consists of S1 packet and S1 subunit and S2 subunit. The S1 subunit binds to the ACE2, and the S2 subunit is interfere with the membrane fusion and those things. And this is literally correlate with the chloroquine. That chloroquine acts by increasing the pH of the cell. So it is not much correlated, but little things. And the another one is transmembrane serine protein. And as we are working with the serine protease, this is a serine enzyme, it having sulfur, and this forms a bond, and it is a leaving group. This study is for confirmation, and for fluorescence spectroscopy. I'm not going to disclose. I'm not going to discuss much about these things, because the Sun Pharma recently started clinical trials like this drug. Some statins is there, Famostat or something. So we consider this another Camostat, another drug, and we are going to explore the binding, because we are our professor and we are working with cathepsin. So that cathepsin also is a cysteine protein. So we want to explore this by fluorescence spectroscopy. And the another thing is, recently we are studying some paper and those things. The spike protein with spike protein and here with glycoprotein is very difficult to identify the monoclonal antibodies. I am not familiar with the vaccine and antibodies, the therapy, because I am a medicinal chemist. And so that's why the monoclonal antibodies are not detecting the spike protein, and this cannot be useful for vaccination or something. Maybe what will happen in future, we don't know. And actually, as I said, it's very useful for medicinal chemist to design the novel drugs and for screening. As we see, these are the ACE2 enzyme at the cell surface, and this is the RBD enzyme, receptor binding domain. And when the virus spike protein in contact with the receptor binding domain, here it will form at RBD junction, at the interface, it will form 17 hydrogen bond and 3 salt bridge. So salt bridge and both together, it will be useful for the virus to infect. So these are the amino acid which are responsible for the binding with this is the bond length, and this is the RBD domain of COVID virus, and then SARS virus, and this is the ACE2 inhibitor enzyme. This is the interface of some amino acids, as we discuss here. This is, and then after that, this is the barrier. This is the barrier. This is the cell surface ACE2 enzyme, and this is the spike protein domain. So when we dog this some structures, these are the amino acid, crucial amino acid responsible for the binding. And here our compound got minus 11.11 inhibitory binding, free binding energy, and our drug also binds with the 325 amino acid here. And so here, so the same thing, the 325, this amino acid residue is at the interface. So the thing is, we are avoiding this interaction, and our aim is to collapse the hydrogen bonding and salt bridge at the interface, so virus cannot affect the cell. So this is our study. But as our compound, actually I deleted the compounds somewhat here to not to disclose the structure. And interestingly, our compound binding to the one conformation binding at the interface showing good energy, free binding energy, and with hydrogen bonding with 325. The rest of residue is also showing okay, because not much not much score, but it is comparable. Minus 9.8 is comparable because when we compared with the reported drugs, it is good only. But we are not sure. And nowadays we are seeing the papers, number of papers on molecular modeling and those things. I don't know whether some people are working considering this cavity, hydrophobic cavity, and some people are considering this interface. Some people are considering RBD, but until no crystal structure is available for the spike protein. So this is our challenge. And we submitted actually we don't have the electron microscopy, and we submitted the compound to Belgium Institute, and then the another protein, those who are liberated the structure of spike protein, because people designed some peptide based inhibitor, and they shown that this is the structure like this. So they are very interested. And Israel time night 3 o'clock, I had a meeting with Nova Biotin and then MIT people, because actually everybody is interested to push up this drug, because we cannot hope and vaccine, because as we know there are only few vaccines till now, only some polio, hepatitis, and BCG. So I don't think virus will come, so vaccine will come soon. But and nowadays we are managing with the drugs. So hopefully, because I am not sure what will happen, and this is the study. And here I removed my drug and I put, actually my drug is bind with the 506 amino acid in the ACE2. This is a SARS virus 505, 502, and my drug is also occupied the same pocket region, and it collapsed the hydrogen bonding between the spike protein and the ACE2 inhibitors. So we are thinking it may be useful for the drug candidate. And these are the things. And actually this ADME Lipinski rule, many of them followed, but interestingly our own known natural products shown the good inhibitory activity. So it is no need, because the drug is already reported with the ADME process, and lot of things are already reported. So just only and maybe next after we got the patent 3 days back only. And so most of the things I didn't show here. Maybe if the conference is after 10-15 days, then I could have shown a lot of things to people. And then actually our compound is 2 and 3 with a lot of binding energy, then with M3, and then approved drugs. And these are shown with the histidine 145, histidine 41, cysteine 145 with M protein. And actually these are the studies go, and dynamic studies. Yeah, I don't show here. Actually in molecular MD studies taken from the Miami University, and the scores also good. And this study they did from the MIT and Nova Biotin in collaboration with the SARS S1 RBD. Then these are the blockers, and these are the some little because due to industrial restriction, they didn't disclose a lot of things. Only they are, because these compounds to be we are planning for the commercial, not for publication or those things. So these are the the blockers, and these are the some confidential and those things. But finally, we got the compound with 1.85 micromolar activity, and for spike protein, and in M protein it is 1.2 micromolar activity, and these are the things I can believe. So maybe our drug will come. I don't know because the things are going in direction, because nowadays sending the compound, taking the virus, and this taking lot of time as we discussed, because of transportation and some customs, custom problematic, and to some transportation and those things, it is getting little delayed, and because of supply chain and those things. So maybe hope for the best, and these are the things, and these are the things. This is just I explained my research oriented things, and whatever I explained here, these are the things. If anybody interested in doing this docking and simulation and those things, and if the score is good and free binding energy is good, and we are ready to collaborate with the fellow researcher, and for both the parties and those things, and these are the very useful things, because I will show a lot of, maybe if anybody interested, I will explain them in deep and those things, because here most of the people are from different areas, because the concept of conference is socio-economics, and guide going through like drug, how to design the drugs and those things, and various target also available, that RNA, RDRP, RNA polymerase and those things, but we are not focusing here. We also screen for them against the protein and those things, but not clear report. Actually, nowadays only PCR techniques, those are available, and we are not sure whether because everybody is telling a lot of this strain, that strain, everywhere daily one news came, this in different country, different strain. So we are not focusing on the genetic material and those things, because spike protein and main protein are the it involves every structure, every virus. So these are the studies, and maybe finally, I'm thankful to Dr. Khalsa sir, principal of MG College, Amuri, and my collaborator, Dr. Naresh Bansod, assistant professor in Department of Chemistry, organizing chemistry of MG College, Amuri. So hope this lecture will give some little confidence, I mean, little uh, enthusiasm to those who are working, those who want to work in designing and design drugs and those things. I hope you'll enjoy this video.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much for your detailed information, and it was quite scientific for us. I hope all participants enjoyed your lecture. Am I audible to you, sir?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes. We have some questions for you.
Yes, sir.
The first question is, it is from our resource person, Igor Nestruk, sir, that can we have an effective drug against COVID-19?
Actually, see, a lot of people nowadays in Israel, a lot of people also doing, but everybody is doing patenting or something, but no one is revealing the things. Maybe recently I joined. Actually, most of the things we are collaborated with the China Anhui company and Bengbu University and then Beijing University. Actually, these are the studies. Actually, I didn't disclose a lot of things, because a lot of institutions are involved, because somewhere electron microscopy is available, somewhere virus is available. In some institution, lot of restriction to not to, because most of the institute not having BSL-3 facility, and these are and recently Weizmann Institute also taken our study, and Nova Biotin came forward to do the lot of things, and they invest almost a lot of dollars they are invested, and I am also, because I am a postdoc. Actually, I had a research experience in Thailand with the dengue virus, and those who are working with the actually the people are released the COVID structure, and those they are my collaborator from, because we actually earlier I worked with the dengue virus. I designed a lot of compounds, and we published a lot of papers, and uh, people are very interesting to invest money. So we are happy. Maybe hope for the best. We don't know, because till now actually that is now natural based compounds. Maybe we are with very confident and hope for the best, and industry also taking care, and they are also investing a lot of money, because it's involve a lot of money actually, because and those who are trying to formulate the crystal structure, the vapor hanging diffusion method, this is also very tough job. That is also a art. And my friend from Miami University, if the crystal structure is not available, then maybe he will explain with the, because as we said in spike protein, having two three binding sites. Maybe if the crystal will not form, then maybe it will be, we are more focusing. Then we will go for the mass spectroscopy and for progenesis software, and will see the effect. And hopefully maybe within 2 3 months actually we will plan for animal studies. Actually animal studies, for animal studies accepted by some Belgium institute, Rega Institute, and actually the ICMR also yesterday, 2 days back, we had a meeting with ICMR director, and they are also very happy with these things. Maybe my English is not good, and I had something because some confidential material matters, and they are also very interesting, and they are also because as people are saying this strain in every country, individual strain. So we are also planning to send one our compound to strain because most of the people are in India. Maybe that is different strain, because it is very difficult to study in one person. Studying in one strain is very difficult. So in individual institutes, suppose ICMR accepted to screen against the virus. So hope for the best. Maybe see, we'll see what will happen.
Thank you very much, sir. The another question is from that, like HIV virus, can COVID-19 will become an epidemic due to mutating nature? And while designing a drug, does the mutation issue is considered?
Actually, HIV is not much correlated with this COVID virus, because it is more related to the SARS-1 virus, and I don't think, because the genetic material and those are different, and most of them are telling a very different strains, and those things we are not sure, because um, now studying in virus is very difficult task, because BSL-3 lab facility should be there, and so studying, I don't have much idea about this, because actually the different virus. Maybe we'll see.
Sir, thank you. Um, when will be the vaccine will come out, and what is your probable estimate?
See. See, the normal thing I'm telling. How many vaccines we developed until now? Very few only. We are not sure vaccine will come or not. Everybody is telling we did this thing, we did this thing, we did this thing, lot of thing, that thing, those things. But when comes to the reality, it will go. But I'm not sure, because till now we are most of the time we dependent on the drug. Maybe drug will come soon. Maybe we don't know. But in the proud thing, I will say, even I working with in Israel, and my friend working in China. In patent, we patented the drug with the India only. We given the Indian name only, because for our country, because our country given lot of things, and lot of, we gain lot of knowledge from India. And with, professor told that why you are giving India name, why you are not giving Israel name, why you are not giving. Then I told, this is my country, home country, so I should respect my country. Those things, lot of things are involved, and finally they agreed. Okay, we will see.
Thank you, sir. The last question I would like to ask that a few days before we heard that Israel has succeeded in some
Yes.
kind of trials. So can you just give us a brief about it?
Actually, they work with some monoclonal antibodies. Maybe actually, I'm not familiar with that, but the guy is also from India. He is also from India. He is also working. So in Israel, they will respect the Indian people, and Indian people are potential. But I'm not familiar because they just disclose few things only, because they told after patenting only we will disclose these things. Because when see, telling is telling is very simple, but when we look into the what is the exact thing, then only we can say, because we did patent, we did this thing, we did this, that. Lot of people will tell. I am also telling that we did these things, but hope for the best, because everybody is focusing and everybody is working with their best. Maybe hope for the best. See. Actually, in your related to your question, I'm not familiar with the vaccine and those things. Maybe I'm a medical chemist, so yeah.
Thank you very much, sir.